Do these 7 things for 60 days and you'll be unrecognizable. 1. Manage your time. Trust me, you're not overwhelmed by everything you need to get done. You are simply unorganized. Plan your day the night before. Set deadlines for tasks and above all, stick to a daily schedule. If you implement effective time management, you will be amazed at how much more you can get done. Everyone begins the new day with the same 24 hours. It is up to you to spend it wisely. 2. Focus on one thing. Everyone wants results, but nobody wants to stay focused enough to get them. The gap between your current life and the life you want is called focus. Stop doing 5 things at 20% capacity and choose one thing to give 100% of your effort to. 3. Make gradual improvements. There's a word in Japanese called kaizen, and it stands for continuous improvement. It is the daily effort of making marginal gains and improving yourself day after day. Have you ever heard of the 1% rule? Mathematically speaking, it states that if you are to become 1% better every single day, considering you are starting from 1, this will result in becoming 37.38 times better at any given thing over the course of 1 year. Start by reading just 1 page, watching 1 video on self-improvement, doing 1 workout. But start today, and over time, you will be able to see your efforts compound. 4. Look at things diagnostically. Develop a problem-solving mindset. Start looking at things with logic. I want you to go about your day, and every time something significant happens to you, I want you to ask yourself, why did that happen? I want you to start thinking about everything around you and looking at your problems from a bird's eye view. Remind yourself to ask the following 3 questions. What am I in control of? What can I do better? How can I improve things? Developing this new outlook on life will greatly help you to transition into this new, elevated version of yourself. Remember, what got you to where you are now is not going to get you to the next place. You must change who you are to be who you want to become. 5. Create a high-value network. You are the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with most. Evolution designed humans to get along with each for the purpose of survival. Have you ever noticed that when you get in a relationship with someone, they start picking up certain things that you do and vice versa? The same is true for all people you spend a lot of time with. You'll adopt the traits, habits, and mindsets of those around you. You must reduce the time you spend with those that hold you back and increase the time you spend with those that propel you forward. Surround yourself with 4 losers and you'll become the 5th. 6. Get into deep work. Your focus is your currency. Devalue it, and you'll always be an arm's reach away from the life you could be living. How you spend your focus is one of your biggest investments. Each day for the next 60 days, I want you to block out a few hours each day. Focus on one thing that is going to help you accomplish your biggest goal and remove all distractions during this block of time. Yes, that means leave your phone outside the room. Developing a monastic level of focus will get you ahead of 90% of people. 7. Find your purpose. You can have all the goals you want, but if you don't create a plan and aren't driven by a divine purpose, then they will remain just that, goals. Everything in life becomes easier once you gain clarity on what you are here for and what you must do. Find your purpose. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows you are part of the 0.01% who actually finish what they start. If you are serious about changing your life, then make sure to join our movement by leaving us a follow.